In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox error code 524. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. First solution is give our Roblox account the private server's permission. To do this, open Settings and click on Privacy. After clicking on Privacy, click on Visibility and Private Servers. Here, to join the private servers, you need to set the setting everyone or at least friends, followers and people I follow. After doing this, you can join most of the private servers. Second solution is set date and time automatically. The time difference between servers can cause issues. To avoid this, we need to set date and time automatically. To do this, right-click on Windows icon and open Settings. After opening Settings, click on Time and Language from the left. Then click on Date and Time. After doing this, make sure Set Time Automatically is toggled on. To be sure, you can toggle it off and on. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the third solution. Third solution is change DNS. A problem with our DNS can cause connection problem with Roblox's servers. In this case, we should change our DNS to solve our problem. To do this, go to the search section and open Control Panel. After opening Control Panel, click on these in order: Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and your connection. After clicking on your connection, open Properties. Select IPv4 from the items list and click on Properties again. Here, to able to change DNS, we need to tick the second option. After doing this, set the first DNS server to 1111 and the second one to 1001. This DNS belongs to Cloudflare and it is safe to use. After setting DNS, click on OK to close the tabs. Now, you can check whether the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the fourth solution. Fourth solution is using VPN. If Roblox servers only down in your region, changing your location with a VPN can solve your problem. If you play Roblox on web, you can add VPN from Chrome Web Store. After entering Chrome Web Store, search for VPN in the search bar. After searching for VPN, you can add any VPN you wanna add. If you play Roblox on your PC, you need to download a VPN program. To do this, just search for VPN in your browser and download which one you wanna download. After downloading, open your VPN and connect to it. After connecting VPN, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If you're still experiencing problems, we will move on to the fifth solution. Fifth solution is resetting our network. This easy solution can help you to fix your problem. To do this, go to the Windows search bar and open CMD as administrator. Here, we need to type some codes. You can find them in the video description below. Type the codes and hit enter. The codes will not harm your computer. After resetting your network, restart your PC and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the final solution. As you can guess, the last solution is delete Roblox and reinstall. If the problem caused by Roblox's files, performing a clean install can solve the problem. To delete Roblox, open Control Panel and click on Uninstall a program. After doing this, find Roblox among your programs and uninstall it. Once you have uninstalled Roblox, you can open Roblox's site and download Roblox installer by clicking any game. After installing Roblox again, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me.